Hey, hi guys, welcome to the session. In this session, we will be understanding about enumerate. So basically, enumerate, as you can see, it takes iterables and takes basically two argument. If you are not giving a second argument, then default value 0 will be picked up, which we have already learned in previous sessions. So basically, it takes two values, iterables, and from where you want to start. You can give any number. So let's see implementation of this particular function. So I have taken a list which has a value Surya Prakash Tripathi, three element value, and when I perform enumerate on that, I have given just one argument L. So default value start is equal to 0 will be picked up. Okay, so let's see what type it will print. So it type will print as a class enumerate itself. Now after converting to list, because it let's verify whether it's iterable or iterator, that we can see here. Just a moment. dir e enumerate. So next you can see, yes, iter you can see, so it's a iterator. So if it is a iterator, we need iterables to access the value. So I am using list. So you can see we have not given in start value, so it has started from 0. So what it does is basically for each value of one the list which we have passed, it will take and map with the starting point. So first value will be mapped with 0, you can see 0 comma Surya. Then next value will be 1, basically an increment of 1, whatever value length of the list has, it will go till that end. So second value assigned to Tripathi. So let's see one more example wherein we will give some value of start keyword. So this time I have given a value called 100. So let's see how it prints in this case. So you can see 100, it has started from 100 Surya, 101 Prakash, then 102 assigned to Tripathi. So this is how enumerate works. So as you can see, it is a iterator, right? So if you are using next, then also you can access. And if you are using for loop, then you need not to worry about the state, because uh, for loop will not throw any exception. If value is exhausted, then it will not print anything. So I have already accessed all values, right? So for item in enumerate L, where is L? Print item. Yeah. So this time what I'm doing is I am taking a particular list Surya Prakash Tripathi and storing into L. After that, I am using enumerate L. So what enumerate L will do? Start from 0, 0 Surya, 0, 1 Prakash, and 2 Tripathi. And one item will be picked one by one. So one item will be picked one by one. So it will print 0 Surya, 1 Prakash, Tripathi. Now suppose I have to use two values instead of just one, because item I have used. So in that case also it will print in this way. So this is how we can access it. If you have to change the default values, you can enumerate L to 1000, whatever you want to mention. So this is how we access the enumerate. Yeah, 1000 we have taken. So if you have to print I enumerate L, print I, what I have, oh, for I in, yeah, so it is got printed from 100. So the one which I wanted to show you, you can see it's exhausted the value, because this time I have saved enumerated here. You can see saved value I have to picked up, and first time if you have saw that particular thing, then it has printed. Second time pointer was on last element, so when you are running for loop it is not able to print. If you want to print again, in that case you need to you know you need to reset the counter. So enumerator L100. This time if I want to print it again, I have reset the value. So again it is resetting again and again, because L is decided, L is written, and then value we are assigning, and then we are running the code, so it is getting assigned again. So that's why it is able to print. If you want to print using next, will you be able to do? Yes, iterator, right? So it won't. The reason is stop iteration, because the above for loop has exhausted all the values and pointer was on last element. So when you run again next state, it will say stop iteration error. So if you want to run, you have to reinitialize. Here I have reinitialized. Now you can use next to access the element. So this is all about enumerate function. Thank you guys.